What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the SUI price chart because we have an update on our $6.32 price target, and also it seems like we are approaching a major buying opportunity. So let's get straight into this. First of all, since the last update we have broken this support level right here that I have mentioned, and right now it seems like that we are approaching the next support level, which is basically this rectangle right here. And this one is a major support level because it is not only here the horizontal support level, basically this area that we have marked in this rectangle, but it is also the support level from the descending triangle that we are seeing right here. So normally, you know, the descending triangle is a bullish pattern. So normally what we do is we hovering around, and at some point we are doing the breakout and then we are moving higher. And from the current structure, it seems like that we have a very good opportunity right here, that this one right here, so if we move a little bit lower, which is also my personal buying opportunity because we have a double support right here, and if we are going in here, that is my buying opportunity, then likely we are doing the bounce, but we don't know yet if that will be then the breakout and we are moving higher, or if we touch this level again and then revisiting this area right here, potentially, depending on the time horizon, even going a little bit lower and then also testing this trend support right here. In case we should do that, then this would be another buying opportunity for me, because the likelihood that we are then doing the breakout is higher, and therefore it is in general a good buying opportunity for me. Until proven otherwise, you know, there always is a level of invalidation that we have, and also levels that we don't want to see the price go below, because then the likelihood of a potential scenario is shifting. And that is also the point where I want to address our next price target right here, because this one always has a price invalidation and a time invalidation. And the price invalidation is actually this support level that we have just broken. So you know the rule that if we have a daily candle close below this level, then that means that this price target here is invalidated. And when I'm saying invalidated, this means 90% likelihood that we will not reach this price target within the linked time window. In this case, this is the 11th of October. So then we have a 90% likelihood that we will not go there. And don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that we will never go there. Just a 90% likelihood that we will not go there until the 11th of October, but likely later. And this is not confirmed yet while I'm making the video. We still have 3.5 hours left to go. But also, even if we manage to somehow go back above and close above this level right here, the support level, then we still also have the time invalidation. And this is on the 3rd of September, so not many days left. And I also doubt that if we let's say we close here, that in 4 days we will do a move like this one right here. So that is not even here. That is the point where we need to be back in here. Otherwise, it's the same 90% likelihood that we will not reach the price target within the mentioned time window. And I think that we are already probably at 80% of invalidating the price target. If the daily candle close will be like this, it will jump to 90%. If it will close a little bit higher and not will be back in here, it will also jump to 90%. So I think that we have a very high likelihood of this price target here being invalidated either today or in the next couple of days. But in this case, this is not that bad, because then we are potentially, as I described it in the beginning, getting presented with a very good buying opportunity. And you know that if we are moving a little bit lower right here and then probably make our way back up here to this point, then you potentially already can see this, then we will get a new price target that will then also potentially give us also $5.77 if we go this low. You know, this is pure speculation at this point, but what I want to say with this is that if this price target is invalidated, it's not that bad, because we get a very nice buying opportunity, and the next price target will also be activated at some point. And if there should be any changes, that means when I open a trade, if there should be some invalidations, or also if we are breaking higher in general, if we have any sort of update, I will upload a new video on this. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, if you have any other cryptos that are within the top 100 that you want me to have a look at, feel free to post that down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.